Hi everybody, I'm going to talk about layers here. On the right hand side of our screen we have a tool panel. We're going to click over here is the layers panel. Here are your layers, layer 1 and layer 2. I'm going to click on layer 2 and I'm going to make a shape. Delete that one. So we have this one on layer 2. Now if you want to put this on layer 1, you want to go here, we're going to grab it and put it right down here. And now it's on layer 2. And you can't see it right now because layer 2 is not on. If you click this box with the little eyeball, it's on, now it's off. You can also lock the layer. And by locking it, you can't do anything with it, and it shows this little lock. So you can use this in cases where you want to draw something on the top of it and you want to be able to grab this but not grab the other object behind it. Let's see what else about layers. You can add layers by clicking this little plus sign, and you can also delete layers. Like say for example we want to delete this, we're going to select this and we're going to hit the minus and it will delete that layer. Now I'm going to do a circle here. Oops, keep doing that. So I have this on this layer, this ellipse, and I'm going to move it up to this layer. Then we click on this layer, and we're going to go Object, Arrange, Bring to Front, and that will automatically put it on this upper layer up here. So now we have nothing on our bottom layer, and these two on our top layer. The range is good if you're designing, for example, some kind of object. I'm just gonna, now to copy these I'm holding the Alt key and then I just drag. Now say I have all these up here and then I want this to be in the front. I just go Object, Arrange, Bring to Front. So now I kind of have like this little flower going on here. Now, as you can see, every time I did that, it created a new ellipse. Now I could take this one ellipse and I could bring it down here to layer 2. Now this would be in the back. So I can grab these front layers. I can also turn that one off or on. Now say I want this in front again. I can just go Object, Arrange, Bring to Front, and it automatically puts it on this upper layer. So that's how you work with your layers. I can also, like, I'm going to put this one back down there again. So let's do Object, Arrange, Send to Back, and look, it automatically puts it on that back layer. And say I want it this way, I can turn this layer off if I don't want to use it at the moment. Then I can also turn it back on. And that's how you use layers in Silhouette Studio.